The motorsport presented by Yamaha never disappoints. Recently, one of the tuning fork manufacturer's sports motorbike variants introduced the Yamaha YZF-R1M. The updates they have presented to the Yamaha YZF-R1M are quite significant compared to the previous variant. Presenting the latest features and technology, the Yamaha R1M is predicted to be the best in its class. If you look at the body, this motorbike has a carbon fiber body which makes the R1M look dashing and stylish. The lines on the body make this motorbike look aerodynamic. Not only that, the swing arm is also covered in aluminum with a serial number which makes this motorbike something special for consumers. Talking about the engine, this motorbike has a 998cc 4-stroke 4-cylinder inline DOHC 16-valve liquid-cooled engine. This machine also adds a crossplane crankshaft which comes from MotoGP. On paper, this motorbike can produce peak power of 198 horsepower at 13,500 RPM and peak torque of 113 Nm at 11,500 RPM. This engine and power are combined with a 6-speed manual transmission. As mentioned above, this motorbike has been equipped with sophisticated technology and features. This motorbike uses a Yamaha chip-controlled throttle which is predicted to increase the rider's confidence in their motorbike. Apart from that, the tuning fork factory also uses electronic racing suspension (ERS) system technology combined with an NPS gas-charged front fork. That way, the driver will get more control over the vehicle. If you refer to the price given by Yamaha USA, the price of the R1M motorbike is $29,999. Honda CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP is built for the track. This is where it belongs. It starts in the same pit lane as the standard Fireblade, but full all-in smart electronic control, SEC, suspension, Brembo master cylinder, brake lever, front and rear calipers and standard fit quick shifter set it apart. Armed with class-leading 160 kilowatts peak power, the semi-cam gear engine has been upgraded with low to mid-range acceleration boost and refined HSTC traction management. And while it is fully road legal, with lights, indicators and smart key, the Fireblade SP defines the ultimate racing motorcycle. The engine's delivering the performance you need, where you need it, while the chassis and electronics are generating huge grip. The speed and the handling confidence the aerodynamics deliver is incredible. Producing 160 kilowatts at a stunning 14,500 revolutions per minute, the inline 4-cylinder semi-cam gear train engine shares the same bore and stroke and friction-reducing technology as the RC213V race bike, with titanium con rods, as well as forged aluminium pistons. New updates include a 43-tooth rear sprocket and optimization of airbox funnels, inlet ports and 4-2-1 exhaust. 3 default riding modes offer base settings to work from, and via the 5-inch TFT screen, you can customize engine power, engine braking, and wheelie control. Using separated compression, rebound circuits and stepper motors to adjust damping, the semi-active Öhlins SEC 43mm NPX USD forks have been developed for racing use to offer precise front tire feedback and grip. Huge confidence to go for a faster lap time. The race quality front end is matched by an Öhlins TT36 SEC rear shock. To provide maximum control, and because conditions change very quickly on track, you can work from default Öhlins Objective Tuning Base Interface (OBTI) setting with free, instantly selectable preset modes to completely change your setup, allowing for reduced fuel load, tire wear, or track conditions. Rigid, Brembo-style monoblock 4-piston radial mount brake calipers use less internal fluid volume for more immediate reaction. Operated by Brembo brake lever and master cylinder, they ensure massive braking power. The rear Brembo brake caliper is the same design used by the RC213V. Two ABS modes give you choice of performance. Sports is biased toward road riding, while track ups braking force for much higher track speeds. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R is a sports motorbike in the superbike category. The motorbike, which is the flagship of this model, has received a refresh. The ZX-10R gets a new suit or new color options. One of the things that makes this motorbike look most aggressive is the metallic Diablo black color. Of course, the Kawasaki Racing Team (KRT) livery for this season is also offered on the ZX-10R. Kawasaki's typical green color, combined with black and a little white accent on the fairing. In terms of features, Kawasaki only provides improvements to the Rideology app display on the TFT screen on the motorbike. Apart from that, the features are still maintained. The ZX-10R is still equipped with Sport Kawasaki Traction Control, SKTRC, Power Mode, Kawasaki Cornering Management Function, KCMF, Assist when cornering, Kawasaki Launch Control Mode, KLCM, Start Assist System, Kawasaki Engine Brake Control, KEVC, Kawasaki Quick Shifter, KQS, and others. In terms of the engine, Kawasaki also doesn't touch it. The engine still uses the same base as the ZX-10RR that Jonathan Rea uses to race in the World Superbike event. This motorbike is equipped with a DOHC, 4-cylinder, 16-valve, liquid-cooled engine, and has a capacity of 998 cc. The power produced by this engine can reach 203 horsepower at 13,200 revolutions per minute, and the torque reaches 114.9 Nm at 11,400 revolutions per minute. Kawasaki is also proud to now use the Rivermark logo, as is also used on the Ninja H2. This logo will be the Kawasaki Motorcycles logo from now on.